This course explores SAP Digital Manufacturing, focusing on enterprise processes and shop floor execution. Together you will learn the fundamentals of production execution, process automation, machine connectivity, analytics and AI-driven manufacturing scenarios. The course also demonstrates how SAP Digital Manufacturing integrates with SAP S/4HANA, supports real-time manufacturing operations, and provides insights through monitoring and analytics tools. By combining technical concepts with practical examples, it delivers a solid foundation for working with SAP Digital Manufacturing in modern production environments. This course is designed to provide both foundational knowledge and practical technical skills. It covers the fundamentals of SAP Digital Manufacturing, including its architecture, integration, and core manufacturing concepts. This gives participants a solid understanding of how SAP Digital Manufacturing fits into modern manufacturing environments. At the same time, the course develops practical skills by covering topics such as configuring production operator dashboards, designing production processes, integrating machines and shop floor equipment, as well as using manufacturing analytics and performing monitoring and troubleshooting activities. By the end of this course, participants will understand how SAP Digital Manufacturing supports modern manufacturing operations, from production, execution and process automation to machine integration and analytics. They will be able to navigate standard SAP Digital Manufacturing applications, work with production operator dashboards, understand production process design concepts, and explain how SAP Digital Manufacturing integrates with SAP S/4HANA and shop floor systems. Participants will also gain practical knowledge of manufacturing analytics, monitoring, troubleshooting, and AI-powered capabilities. Participants should have a basic understanding of manufacturing execution processes as well as general knowledge of SAP manufacturing solution and system landscapes. While prior experience with SAP systems is beneficial, it is not a strict requirement. The course is designed as an introduction and provides the necessary foundation to understand SAP Digital Manufacturing and its role in modern manufacturing environments. As a senior software engineer at IGZ, I have extensive hands-on experience with multiple SAP Digital Manufacturing projects, helping customers design, implement and optimize digital manufacturing solutions in complex enterprise environments. My expertise combines SAP Digital Manufacturing architecture, system integration and application development with practical project experience. This enables me to share not only theoretical knowledge, but also real-world best practices, lessons learned, and practical examples that participants can apply directly in their own projects.